Hi, welcome back to Car Training. We're going to go over generic jobs today. So to access generic jobs, you can go to the left-hand menu, click on the Generic Jobs tab, and go to New Job or View All Jobs. So New Job will allow you to add a new generic job. Think of a generic job as a job that you perform often enough where you have a job cost and a retail price associated based on how much labor and parts are included in that job. So this would be a fast way for you to create this type of job and add it to a fill recommendation service job at any point in time. Two examples we'll use for this are charging AC with R134 and changing oil with 5W30. So if you're going to build out a job to charge AC services, it'll probably include up to, I'm thinking in kilograms, but 0.5 kilograms of Freon. And you may have an associated cost of, let's say your machine has to be accounted for, your technician time has to be accounted for. Let's say this costs you about $125 to do, but you want to charge the client $225 to perform this service. You could put a description, basic AC service, evac and recharge, plus refill up to amount listed. So this description is internal. You can make it taxable or non-taxable, and once you're done, you can add it. So this is where you can manage your generic jobs list, where you can view all of the generic jobs. So we already had an AC service. This one included up to 24 ounces, had a price of $120, and it shows you the date that it was added. So 3 years ago, those of you who went through COVID know a lot's changed since then. Prices are definitely it, as Freon is up and so are the machines. So here's our new job. We actually forgot to put kilograms, so we're going to go back and edit it, kg, and submit it. Now, in order to utilize your generic jobs, you're going to have to be in a service request and in a service request job where you have generic jobs. Here you can search your existing database of generic jobs and add them to any service request. So all of your employees would know that AC service 0.5 kilograms of Freon means you're performing an evacuation and recharge, and you're recharging up to 0.5 kilograms of Freon. If more is needed, you would charge more. If you need to add a new generic job from a service request window, you can do that right from here. So here you have the same options. And when you're done, you can submit and close or submit and add another. So we don't have the ability to edit generic jobs from a service request. You would have to go back to the left menu and go to View All Jobs and edit the job from that menu there. So some other parts that you can possibly add on to this might be dye, things of that nature. AC dye, obviously not charging $100, let's charge $15. If you were changing valves, you could add the valves here as parts. Now we're not utilizing labor because the labor is already built into our generic job. We could put description of work in here, print out invoice. Don't forget to add pictures or video. This provides significant value to your clients. Thank you for watching this episode on Car Training. Have a great day.